Oh, he's a pro at this. Oh, here comes another one.
Breathe out. Now there's a seed sound.
You're not doing yoga.
And just like the seed has all the ingredients for a giant tree,
Wait, why are they flexible?
our potential is laid down in the chakra system. So
But those are the type of the big trucks that go and destroy the curbs
this is a way to breathe.
and the driveways, you know what I mean?
Deep breath in, we'll turn to mum for the first one.
He knows exactly what he's going to do. And dump it over on the other side. The road is really pretty good.
I'm videoing.
Huh?
I'm videoing.
Oh, excuse me. Well, I said something so terrible, didn't I? This is what I go through, everybody.
No, I.
Punch it!
Oh, sorry, pudding. So you like this? This is on a lot. This is on channel 164. But they have other stuff too.
There's something else out there that you can do to heal yourself.
Dancing!
ForRealLiving.com. Go well. Things sure have
I
changed.
just found this station.
I mean, with the economy the way it
I don't
is
know how long
these
it's
days,
been on.
it's no wonder that thousands of seniors have turned to one reverse mortgage to take control of
Gentle,
their
don't. She's a very
I'm
good
here
dog.
to tell homeowners that are 62 and older about a great way to live a better retirement. It's called a reverse mortgage. So here's how it works. When you call the experts at One Reverse Mortgage today, you'll learn the benefits of a government-insured reverse mortgage. It will eliminate your monthly mortgage payments
Yeah.
and
Oh,
give
here
you
comes another
tax-free
guy.
cash for the equity in your home. And here's the best
Pardon?
part. You still own your home.
Here comes another guy.
Call right now to
What, there's
receive
two coming down the street at the same time?
obligation. It answers questions.
Bella, have Grandma do that, please.
Mortgage works.
Or go get a haircut.
Yeah. Oh, I thought I was giving you one. I'm not.
Plus, when you call,
I need one.
you'll get
What
this
the heck?
magnifier with LED light absolutely free. Listen to what a reverse mortgage did for these people.
The first thing I did was paid off all of our credit cards. Totally. I can breathe now. My bills are getting paid. We're traveling more. We're eating out more.
You can receive cash cash that you can use to pay off your credit card bills, your medical expenses, actually anything.
Wait. Whoa, you are getting really
Cash
good.
does not affect your
Doing that.
Take advantage
Oh, I
of the
hear
equity
big trucks.
you've built in your home.
Do we want to watch big
You
trucks?
better get in. You better get in your driveway real fast.
Who?
Lady across the street.
Who, the red?
Their mortgage experts are licensed professionals you can trust. Take control of your retirement today.
Which lady across the street? Oh, the red car?
They're blocking you the way. They can't block the way. They can't. They can't block the way. All I can get.
Isn't this great? And of all people in the whole world, what is she doing out on the roads? Oh, don't leave it there, honey. Keep going.
Leave it there.
Oh, well, Michael's not going to be happy with that.
Because Mike can't get out.
I know it means Mike has to go and plow. Oh, he's getting stuck. Yeah, there's probably a lot of ice under there, honey.
Expert on the subtle energy system. Welcome that down. Yeah, glad to have you. Can you tell me where
You better go. Oh, she can't.
Well, I first learned about it was at a yoga studio. I first heard about it well before then.
He can barely go.
That's Catherine's mom.
But I first learned about it in the yoga studio, and then that's when it started to make sense to me because there was a direct correlation with the
Just put it on their property because no one lives there.
That's right. Haven't seen that.
Uh-oh.
system, the talker system, into my own life. And
Because there's no car in the
Probably because there's no
driveway.
car,
And you know what?
And he's
there's
never
no mailbox.
No. He probably knows that he's clearing
the world.
the well there,
having an understanding that whenever you have any kind of injury in your
where the
lower
water's
back,
meant to melt down
that's
into.
to do with Muladhara
He should be
chakra,
clearing
your
that.
chakra. And that chakra is associated with our sense of
Oh, so I guess that's where they've decided to dump it.
home and
Because there
family
is no
life.
one that lives there.
My grandfather had passed away a week before
I
that.
think so.
I was certain that a direct link to that.
I think. Oh,
Want to be explored?
don't do that. Oh, so good. Oh my God.
What?
That almost hit the pole right there. Oh, pole.
So now,
I feel pretty good set up. Do you want to see us do Isabella's makeup?
like we're on the map, you can actually see
You've
our
done it
body
already,
and
honey.
No, Bella did that her own makeup. Oh, come.
Now who's gonna win here?
the chakras in your body, like after practice, what's going on? Like going into the surgery.
Oh, they're a team, a tag team.
For me, I feel like my life is an example of having an understanding of the chakra system. I used to be very, very different. I worked in a nightclub.
I have a bunch of makeup in my purse, so.
I was really shallow.
Uh-oh, where's he putting it?
I was pretty materialistic, pretty shallow. I would get very flustered over small things, like whenever
You were too young, you were a baby when it
I
happened.
didn't necessarily
But,
know how to handle it in the best way. And really, I feel like my life was
Aunt Deb was living in the house and we were waiting for your father to come.
an understanding
I'm videoing,
of the
so.
chakra system in action because my energies have been moved to transform my whole life because of this understanding. You know, now I teach yoga, and every time I used to go to my
She's
mat
good
to
at
practice
taping.
before I was teaching, I would have such a complete experience of having an energy shift that I would leave the practice feeling light and uplifted and happier and different than when I came to it. Like I was more compelled to help others.
Oh no.
Those
The
poor
people on the she's not gonna be able to get into her driveway.
Who?
Well, she might be able to.
Oh.
Christine.
You know, I switched paths.
Oh, she'll be able to get into it. It's the other people.
So that I could pursue this path.
Yes, husband.
Oh, boy.
So much to me.
Well, that's really not too bad if he does
No.
it to us, because that gives us a bank, so you can go
Sleigh riding.
But in the way I perceive the
down the hill,
and in the way I interact.
because we're having more snow on Thursday. Only 4 inches now.
Now it's only 4 inches. We're gonna have more snow, so it doesn't matter.
4 inches is nothing after 3 feet.
How when we come to the ego, that perhaps there's like, it can be a little confrontational. We have to tame the ego, it's not that bad. There are aspects of it that can inhibit our ascension into the heart, which is where we want to go next.
The ego is something.
But they are doing a nice job with that.
And that is like a glass ceiling to entering into your heart, right? Because the ego provides a lot of, like, the ego is all control of, right? Like, we perceive the ego as a bad thing, and we want to get rid of the ego and tap into love. But really, we utilize the ego as a tool, just like we utilize our body as a tool. We work with it. And get to the higher realms. So we have to have an understanding.
He's cute.
of it. Now, there's
Who
like
is?
negative versions
The truck
of
driver.
ego. So
Oh, that
for me,
one?
like my negative ego manifests itself in insecurity, self-doubt, needing validation. Now, of course, that's gotten better through the practice. And then
Oh, look at them.
Who?
Look at what he's doing for her.
Oh, that's nice. They're from upstate. They're definitely not from Rhode Island.
How do you know?
Because they're
Because
kind and
people-
decent and have manners.
negative ego that causes
That's
us to
why.
worry, causes us to have doubt, causes us to
They're
criticize
helping.
ourselves.
They're helping all the people so
Yeah.
they can all gonna make driveways.
It's a different breed, sweetheart.
And so they can get in their home.
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. Hey, they dug up somebody's garbage.
Oh,
Garbage.
the people across the street.
Yeah.
Oh, the garbage cans?
Their garbage cans were out. They scooped them up.
Oh, they couldn't see them. What happened to our garbage cans?
We didn't-
Still in the snow?
Yeah.
Where am I?
Oh. Engage with Uganda all the time. Lift in that pelvic floor, because otherwise
Then,
we have energy that's moving in many different directions, all about any way it wants to.
Lima.
And if we
Yep.
engage with Uganda, then we're channeling all that energy, and then we're able to allow it to move in the chakras and eventually get to the heart. Like that central energy channel is also love, right?
I hope they do that to the older people.
They did.
Oh, they did already? Oh, okay, good.
Grandma,
In
look.
our practice, we're trying to pull them apart a little bit and loosen it so they can higher love.
Oh, oh, it's a garbage can.
Mm-hmm.
Love, generosity.
Love, compassion,
Holy
love,
mackerels.
generosity, devotion. I like the sound
Are you
of
still taping?
Mm-hmm.
on the show.
I want to tell you a story about one of the snowstorms.
Your practice again with us sometimes.
Grandma, look it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that really isn't makeup. That's crazy makeup.
Hey. It's fun stick.
So what did they do? Did they drive those trucks down from
They
upstate?
flatbedded them.
Huh?
They flatbedded them.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the cover.
How disheartening and uncomfortable this form of German
Yeah, I'm gonna
can
take
be.
the cover.
A man I know suffered from severe eczema in high school.
So this is going to be interesting when these guys throw their garbage
Scars, state
on our side of the house. It'll be.
his eczema as
Who is she?
comparison. Do you, or maybe someone you know, have eczema?
Is that the?
If so,
No.
it's not good news. Today we're going to explore effective urban approaches to eczema prevention and treatment. Just
No, Bella!
saying, what a relief.
Why doesn't everybody just wait?
Hey, what? I want you to be more good. Okay. She's gonna find my whole face.
Hello,
Okay?
I'm Amanda McQuaid Crawford, and I've been practicing herbal medicine for many years.
I don't want to.
During that time,
We're gonna have to use glue all over your baby.
places a very high premium on healthy vibrant skin.
But how do you get
Today
it
we're
out?
talking about a range of itchy skin conditions called eczema.
Oh, the only problem with these big tractors is the roads. Making the roads.
In older children and adults, the skin
Well, I guess they'll do your path now.
inside the elbows and
Oh, look at this gray truck. Oh, is it going to turn around?
throughout history.
No, Bella.
There are many varieties and hybrids. These beautiful pansies and Johnny jump-ups can be used, but it's this large leaf sweet violet that is the woodland flower that is most specific to eczema.
With the palette.
The name
Because I did do my
comes from a leaf from woodland.
Let's don't cut my
It means those
You won't look like a Guna. Okay, fine. Put it on the cheek. No, this is.
healers in ancient
Oh, we're just gonna put it
to soothe
on your chin. You're gonna put it around.
Okay, so we're over a little bit of 14 minutes of filming right now. And what did they do? Like 100 feet of street?
Yeah.